Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to add the outfit code in Roblox. So for this what you need to do is click on the start button, then you have to search for the Chrome option, Chrome, and or the internet browser that you prefer. Then you have to search for the roblox.com. After that you will see this interface and you will simply have to search this catalog avatar creator. Then what you need to do is click one of the here. For example, I would like to click one of these. Then what you need to do is wait again since it will get loaded. After that you have to simply click on the play button. So once you are inside of the Roblox experience, we need to click on community outfits in the left hand side, then go and select one of these categories. I am just going to click one of the most popular, and then in the bottom navigation you will see this section called outfit code. So just go and type in our outfit code. So here I'm going to type in B7, which is my outfit, then press enter on your keyboard. Then that's going to load up that outfit. From here you can either save this Roblox, or you can also click on wear and go and wear this outfit. And now if I come back over to my Roblox game, you can see we have now changed the outfit to the required one. And after that you can easily just place your dress code or avatar code easily. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.